To power on the RIGIL, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. The system will begin booting into the onboard scanning interface. The RIGIL can operate as a fully standalone scanner or connected to a computer depending on your workflow. Press and hold the power button to launch the standalone scanning system. Now that your EinScan RIGIL is activated, the next step is to check for firmware updates. Firmware updates improve tracking performance, compatibility, stability, and scanning accuracy. Start by opening the EinScan RIGIL software if it is not already running. Next, connect and power on your RIGIL scanner. Then open Device Manager from the top toolbar. Select your EinScan RIGIL from the available devices list. Here, you will see the current firmware version installed on your scanner. If a newer version is available, the Update button will appear. Click Update to begin the firmware installation process. While the update is running, keep the scanner powered on and connected. Do not disconnect the USB cable, and do not close the EinScan software during this process. The firmware update typically only takes a few minutes. When finished, the scanner may restart automatically. After the scanner reconnects, return to Device Manager. Confirm the firmware version now matches the latest available release. If the version number has updated, your scanner is ready to use. If the firmware update does not complete successfully, here are a few quick fixes. First, confirm your internet connection is stable. Second, verify the scanner battery has sufficient charge. Third, make sure the USB cable remains securely connected. And finally, restart both the scanner and the EinScan software before trying again. As a best practice, check for firmware updates regularly. Running the latest firmware ensures the best tracking performance and the most reliable scanning experience. Open Device Manager, install any available firmware updates, and confirm your scanner is running the latest version before starting your first scan. Before completing your first scan, it's important to calibrate the EinScan RIGIL. Calibration ensures the scanner delivers the highest possible accuracy and tracking performance. Start by placing the calibration board on a stable surface in front of the scanner. Next, open the calibration menu from the scanner settings screen and select Start Calibration. Follow the on-screen instructions and slowly move the scanner to capture the calibration board from multiple angles. Make sure the board stays fully visible during capture and move smoothly without sudden motion. Once complete, the scanner will confirm calibration success automatically. If calibration fails, simply repeat the process in a well-lit environment and ensure the board stays steady. Run calibration using the included board to ensure maximum scanning accuracy before your first project. When starting a new project, you can choose between standalone mode or PC mode. Standalone mode lets you scan directly from the scanner without needing a computer. PC mode connects the scanner to your workstation for higher processing performance and larger scan projects. For quick scanning and portability, standalone mode is the fastest way to begin. Next, tap New Project on the touchscreen. Choose your scan mode based on your object size and surface detail. You'll typically choose between Feature Mode, Marker Mode, or Hybrid Alignment Mode. For most beginner scans, Feature Mode works great on objects with visible geometry and texture. Create a project and select the alignment mode that matches your object. Before scanning, place your object on a stable surface with good lighting. Avoid reflective or transparent materials unless you apply scanning spray. If your object has limited surface detail, apply markers to improve tracking. Markers help the scanner maintain alignment throughout the capture process. Stabilize your object and add markers if tracking support is needed. Now, tap Start Scan. Slowly move the scanner around your object while keeping a consistent distance. Watch the distance indicator on the screen to stay within optimal tracking range. Move steadily and avoid sudden direction changes to maintain alignment. Move smoothly around your object and maintain proper scanning distance. Once your object is fully captured, tap Stop Scan. You can now rotate the preview to inspect your data and confirm full coverage. If areas are missing, simply resume scanning and capture those regions. Stop the scan and inspect your model before moving on to processing. Next, tap Process to generate your mesh. The RIGIL will automatically align frames and create a 3D model. Once processing is complete, your model is ready for export or additional editing. Processing converts scan data into a finished 3D mesh. To export your model, open the project menu and select Export. You can export in common formats like STL, OBJ, or PLY depending on your workflow. These formats are compatible with most CAD, inspection, and 3D printing software. Export your scans in STL, OBJ, or PLY for use in downstream applications. And that's it. You've completed your first scan with the EinScan RIGIL. You're now ready to confidently create your first professional RIGIL scan. If you found this guide helpful, check out our full troubleshooting and pro workflow videos for even better results. If you're not up and running after this video, drop your system specs and error message details in the comments below, and I'll help you narrow down the cause. Make sure to subscribe for future scanning tips and product reviews. Now, if you're looking for your own scanner, software, accessories, or if you'd like to schedule a free demo, head over to umax.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Steven with UMAX, and I'll see you in the next one.